Investing in rental property is one of the smartest ways to build long-term wealth, but not every investment works the same way. Whether you own a single-family home or a multifamily property in Boise, each comes with its own opportunities, challenges, and management strategies. Understanding these differences can help you protect your investment, improve cash flow, and make more confident decisions. In this video, First-Rate Property Management breaks down what every property owner should know before choosing the management approach that's right for their goals. Residential properties, such as single-family homes, townhomes, and condos, usually involve simpler day-to-day management and fewer tenants. Multifamily properties, including duplexes, apartment buildings, and larger communities, require more coordination, stronger systems, and consistent communication. While residential rentals are often easier to manage, multifamily investments provide opportunities to scale and generate income from multiple units at the same time. One of the biggest differences is how vacancies impact your income. When a residential property sits empty, rental income stops completely. Multifamily properties reduce that risk because other occupied units continue generating revenue. Maintenance also becomes more demanding with additional units, shared spaces, and amenities. As your investment grows, financial reporting, budgeting, and tenant communication become increasingly important for maintaining profitability and long-term success. No matter which property type you own, success depends on consistent maintenance, effective leasing, proactive communication, and accurate financial management. Professional property management helps reduce operational challenges, improve tenant satisfaction, and protect your investment while allowing you to focus on growing your portfolio with confidence. Every investor has different objectives. Some value the simplicity of residential rentals, while others prefer the scalability and stronger income potential of multifamily properties. The right decision depends on your budget, risk tolerance, and long-term investment strategy. With local expertise and personalized guidance, First-Rate Property Management helps Boise property owners make informed decisions that support lasting financial success. Whether you own your first rental home or a growing multifamily portfolio, having the right management partner makes all the difference. Let First-Rate Property Management help you maximize returns, simplify operations, and protect your investment every step of the way. Contact our team today to discover professional property management solutions designed for your success in Boise.